I use to learn Swedish is called spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a learning technique that is usually used with online flashcards. So a flashcard is like a memory card with two sides. New and more difficult flashcards are shown more frequently, while older and less difficult flashcards are shown less frequently to make the most of the psychological spacing effect. The use of spaced repetition has shown to increase learning in less time. Spaced repetition is commonly used where a learner has to acquire many items and memorize them for a long time. It is therefore well suited for the problem of vocabulary acquisition in English language learning. A number of spaced repetition online programs have been developed to help the learning process. So the program that I use is called Anki, and we are going to look at that right now. So this is the Anki website where you will come to download the software onto your computer. So the software is free to download and it is also free of ads. There's no advertising. This is the website here, apps.ankiweb.net. So this is how the Anki homepage looks. Anki is made up of decks. A deck is a group of flashcards. So here I already have 4 decks for Swedish. I'm now going to create a test deck for English. So I will click this button here, create deck. So I'm going to call this English sentences food. So I try to focus my decks on a topic so that the vocabulary is similar and is repeated more so that I can remember it more. Now I'm going to click on, not this one. I'm going to click on this new deck that I've just created and I'm going to add a card. So here in my study of English, okay, I've learned this sentence. So if I'm a German learner, I'm going to put a word in my own native language inside the brackets, inside the sentence. This is the front, then the back, I'm going to write the answer. The idea is that your memory is trained for recall when you look at the flashcards. It's also important to create your own flashcards, as creating your own flashcards helps you be your own teacher. So I'm going to add this now. Let's see how a card looks when I click on study now. Okay, so this is the front of the card and I have to remember what the word is in the language I'm trying to learn. So this kitchen is nice. So here the back of the card is shown. So the idea is that the software will show you cards that you will find easy less often and cards that you find difficult more often. So if I find this card easy, I will just click easy and it will show it to me in 4 days. If I find this card average, I know it, but I think I will maybe forget it. In a few days, I'll click good. If I find it difficult, I'll click again. So that is how the Anki software works. I hope that was helpful. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to getting more into Anki with you in the next few months, and also teaching new tips and tricks for it.